Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can edit the footer of your website on Squarespace. So in order to edit your footer, you need to click on edit and then scroll down to your footer. Here you can see your footer. Hover your mouse to the footer and then click on edit footer. Here on the right you will see edit section. Click on it. And here I can change the height of the footer. I can change the row count as well. I can change the background as well. For example, I need to add an art to the background. So in the preview you can see that the background has been changed. We can change the theme as well in the color section. After you are done with the editing, you need to click on done and save. And there you go. Your footer has been edited. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.